What's the story, everyone? I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film I'm going to be making and trying out homemade hair products that you can make yourself from your supplies during your COVID-19 isolation. So if you're running out of your favourite hair products and you need to make some at home, then keep on watching. As I believe loads of people in the Republic of Ireland, as well as Europe and the whole world, are in self-isolation. It's a very sad time of the year. It's very scary times. It's like something from a horror movie that we'd never expect. And if you didn't listen to your hairdressers when he said to you, you need to get your dry shampoo, you need to stock up on your shampoo, you need to get your hair mask, and all you did was care about the toilet roll, then here I am. I'm here to save the day. I went into my favourite Google search engine and I typed in homemade hair products, and I picked 3 easiest ones that we're going to make today and try them out in case you run out of your favourite shampoo, conditioner and dry shampoo. I'm going to be making a dry shampoo for that girl that woke up way too early and couldn't get out of bed to wash her hair and she has a video call meeting, just in case you run out of your own one. Also, I'm going to be making a shampoo just in case you run out of your shampoo, and a nice nourishing mask. I picked out very easy recipes, something that everyone can find in their kitchen from their supplies. I'm really sad to tell you all that I couldn't find a recipe for a hair mask with a toilet roll and pasta and rice. But I mean, listen, I tried, but I have different products that we can really work that I found in my kitchen, you'll find in your kitchen, and we'll see if they actually work in our hair. So first of all, let's prepare of making all the products. Hygiene first. You know, we need to be safe. So no, it's very sad time out there, especially in Italy. It's really my heart is really going out to those people. And you know what? You just don't know what to do in those situations, you know? It's very sad. So anyways, I'm prepared. Let's look at my mobile phone and see what recipes I've actually saved. I've all the ingredients here. So first of all, we're going to make a dry shampoo because my hair's quite greasy. I didn't wash it. I don't really style my hair anyways, but I didn't wash it especially for this experiment, shall I say. So let's look at the ingredient list. And all the stuff I found was through a Google search engine. So the ingredients: 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So everyone should have cornstarch. It's very easy to find. 2 tablespoons of colouring powders: unsweetened cocoa powder, ground cinnamon, or cornstarch. So I believe that the cornstarch is going to absorb the oil out of your hair, and the colorants are going to give it a color, so you can get like a color dry shampoo. So I'm going to use a coca because that's what I have for my dark hair. And you could also use well, it says cornstarch, but sure, you're making out of cornstarch. So I'd say if you're blonde, just make it out of cornstarch. Also, 6 drops of essential oil of your choice. We all have an essential oil in our houses nowadays. I'm going to use lavender. So let's get cracking. I'm going to take a wee little cup over here and I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of starch. It's very hard to make this video and show everyone what I'm doing, but you just have to trust me, I'm not messing. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Voila, in the cup. Now let's get a bit of cocoa powder into it. So like that, 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. No, cocoa powder. 2nd tablespoon of coca. I actually can't believe I'm going to put this all in my hair. This is ridiculous. So I'm going to mix that together. Moroccan oil texture spray, I'm coming for you. Alright, let me put my essential oils in it. 6 drops. I'm after getting cocoa powder all over me. Rotten. So this is my essential oil, and let's dip that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's 6. Oh, it actually smells lovely. So what it said on the recipe is just put it onto your roots and it's going to absorb all the oil. I can't believe I'm actually putting that on my roots. So when we're looking at it, it basically looks like cocoa powder with cornstarch. Yeah, so that's the consistency. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch a tiny bit into my hair and we'll see how it behaves. So yeah, if you wake up way too late out of your bed and you have a call on your laptop with your company, because loads of people are working from home now, this is what you can do if you didn't get your dry shampoo when I told you to. Do you know? Too concerned getting toilet roll, huh? Okay. And a tiny bit here. Oh lads, I am covered. So, this is the final product. So what are my thoughts about it? Let's have a look at my hair. The colour looks awful. It does look drier, so it definitely done the job. I would probably, next time I'll probably just use the cornstarch on its own, but it did the job. Do you know, except that I'm just covered in cornstarch and cocoa powder. But no, it definitely did the job. Now, it's not the most pleasant one. Do you know what actually that'd be really good for? For your roots. Do you know them root sprays? You could actually make that as a brown root spray for your greys and just dab that in. Because that's after taking my colour down. See, it's after taking the blonde. So let's try to make my blonde more coca. Dust from Techniard by L'Oreal. Cocoa powder is coming for you. No, it actually done the job surprisingly. Now, I can't say it's the most pleasant feel on your scalp, but it does work. So, let's move on to the shampoo and let's make a nice homemade shampoo. Excuse me if I'm a bit filthy looking, but I mean, there's a lot of powder here. So let's look at the recipe I found for the shampoo. And I picked the easiest one. There was loads of weird and different recipes. There was one with like baking soda. There was one with coconut milk. No. We need something that everyone has in their houses during this crisis. So my recipe for my shampoo is, it's an American recipe, so I'm going to improvise. It says 1/4 cup of water, which I have, 1/4 cup of liquid Castile soap. I believe Castile soap is like a vegan natural soap. We don't have it, so we're just going to use the regular bathroom soap. And then 1/2 spoon of your vegetable oil or essential oil. Right, I'm just going to stick with the lavender. So we're going to make that. We're going to wash my hair and we're going to make a mask as well. So I have a little bottle. This is actually the Inkillis that I actually run out of. I cleared that out and I put a bit of water into it. So that's what I'm going to use. Do you know what I find really funny is, only about 2 months ago, people were carbon shaming everyone and plastic shaming everyone. And during this crisis, everyone's like, give me plastic. So no, I find that very interesting, but this is my little plastic cup of water and this is my bathroom soap. So let's put that in. Right, so I'm going to just put a few pumps into that. And 1/2 spoon of essential oil. I'm just going to dip that in. I'm just going to put a few drops in it. Just to make it smell nice, I suppose. Right, that's done. And we're going to shake that all up. Smells nice and lavendery. So no, that's good. We're going to try that out in a minute. We'll see if it's going to wash out all that cocoa out of my hair. So let's make a mask now and have all of this ready, and then we're going to wash my hair and dry it and test it out. So the recipe for the mask that I found is very easy. Mash 1 ripe avocado, remove the pit, obviously. with 1 egg and apply this to your washed wet hair. Do you know what? This is going to be quite interesting because I do have an avocado. And avocado is a very popular fruit, I think, here. So I had the other half for my breakfast. I'm going to use this one for my hair. And I have an egg. So I'm going to mash all that together, get that ready. I'm going to wash my hair and then I'm going to apply the mask. So I have a little plastic container somewhere here. I just need to find it. Oh, it fell on the ground. So I have a little plastic container and I'm going to put my egg in it. Right, we have the egg in it. Right, safety first, guys. And now we're going to put my avocado into it and we're going to mash it. Where's my fork? I can't wait to do washing up. I am covered in stuff. I'd rather not wash my hair, I think. So let's put this avocado in. Now, this is a very interesting mixture because it actually makes sense. Whether it works, we'll see. Because, I mean, avocado is full of fatty acids and then egg is your protein. So you have your fat and you have your protein for strengthening. So you should get some sort of nourishment in your hair. Right, we have my avocado in it. I can't believe it. I'm covered in egg. I'm covered in cornstarch, cocoa powder. So let's mash that all together. Now I know loads of people use avocado face masks as well. That's quite interesting. I remember years ago people used to put mayonnaise in their hair. People used to do coffee rinses in their hair. So there's loads of home remedies, but this is really just to test out, see how they work. Because I mean, during this home isolation and working from home, I mean, people will run out of shampoos. People will run out of conditioners. Do you know? So I mean, and if you're bored, why not play around with stuff like that? Because we all have internet on our phones. And I mean, with all the food we're buying, I should really make one with like, oh, hair mask out of pasta. Or one of those. Right, so this smells absolutely horrific. I can't believe I'm going to put that in my hair. So, what we're going to do now is, I'm going to pause the film, I'm going to go to the lavatory, and I'm going to wash my hair with my homemade soap and water and lavender oil shampoo. And then we'll get back and I'll tell you my thoughts and my experience during my shampooing process, and we'll apply the masks. And we're back with freshly washed hair with a shampoo that we made at home ourselves. What are my thoughts about it? I mean, my hair is really dry, like it's really knotty, but the experience wasn't too bad. I really like the smell of lavender. So yeah, it was alright, but you might as well wash it with shower gel if you have it. There's no need going all the way around and just making a shampoo out of soap. But now I'm really excited to try this lovely thing on my hair. So let's get started. And I'm just gonna dip my hand in it. Lads, I cannot believe I'm doing this. Putting an egg and avocado in my hair. There we go. Mmm. Oh, there's avocado on my back. A tiny bit more. I should have wore something else. Right, and on the recipe it also says wrap it up in plastic bag or shower cap. We don't have plastic bag or shower cap, but hold on, let me get a bit of avocado from behind me. We don't have any plastic bags, but a lot of people in Ireland have about 20 rolls of toilet roll. So we're going to grab a bit of toilet roll and just cover our hair with that. Now, we might be selling that soon. Right. And leave it for 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. We're going to dry my hair and we're going to see the results on my hair. Whether my hair is really soft, does it feel greasy, or how it actually feels after using homemade hair products, and if they're actually worth making. So, I'll be back in 10 minutes. And we're back after rinsing our homemade mask. So, I took off my gloves just because I wanted to feel the hair. It doesn't feel any softer, it still feels rather dry, so let me brush it and dry it as I normally would. I'm not going to put any heat protector on styling products in my hair. I probably made scrambled eggs on my scalp at this stage. Now I'm going to go off camera, dry my hair as I normally would, and we'll come back with the results. And we've dried my hair. So what are my thoughts about all this new hair routine? My hair feels like straw, let's be honest. I'm really surprised that it doesn't feel rather greasy, because I really expected the egg and the avocado to make it really greasy, because avocado is so fatty, but it didn't. But it didn't make it nourished or soft either, so it's not a win for me. No, it doesn't feel great. There's a nice bit of texture to it, I think because it's so dried out, because I just used soap and water to wash it. It just gave that nice texture to it. I can't smell it, I'd love to smell it, but it does feel clean. Like the avocado didn't dirt my hair, which is good. But no, you guys, I mean, honestly, stock up on your shampoo and your conditioner, all the essentials you need. This was a bit of fun. It was nice to try something different. I probably wouldn't do it again. Now, I mean, my hair isn't the worst, but it wasn't the nicest experience I've ever done to my hair. So guys, I hope this video put a smile on your face. I hope during this tough period of isolation and this pandemic that's happened in the world, and I can't believe I'm using the word pandemic on my YouTube channel in 2020. But no, please stay safe. Do what the government tells you to do. Don't make unnecessary journeys. Stay at home if you can. And guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And of course guys, take care. Bye.